Today, I'm going to be talking about YNAB, a budgeting app that I've been using for the past few years. I've gotten a lot of questions about YNAB, and one of the most common questions is YNAB a monthly budget? The answer is, it depends on how you use it. YNAB can be used as a monthly budget, but it can also be used as a weekly budget, a daily budget, or even a zero-based budget. I'm going to show you how to use YNAB as a monthly budget. I'll also talk about some of the pros and cons of using YNAB as a monthly budget. What is YNAB? YNAB is a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses. It uses a zero-based budgeting approach, which means that you assign every dollar of your income to a category. This helps you to stay on track with your budget and avoid overspending. How to use YNAB as a monthly budget? Here are the steps on how to use YNAB as a monthly budget. Set up your budget. To do this, you'll need to create categories for your income and expenses. You can also create subcategories within each category. Track your income and expenses. Every time you earn or spend money, you'll need to record it in YNAB. You can do this by manually entering transactions or by connecting your bank account to YNAB. Review your budget regularly. It's important to review your budget regularly to make sure that you're on track. You can also use YNAB to see how much money you have left in each category for the month. Make adjustments to your budget as needed. If you find that you're overspending in one category, you can make adjustments to your budget to free up money for other categories. Pros and cons of using YNAB as a monthly budget. Pros. YNAB is a very flexible budgeting tool that can be used in a variety of ways. YNAB helps you to track your income and expenses, which can help you to stay on track with your budget. YNAB can be used to create reports that show you how you're doing with your budget. YNAB has a great community of users who are always willing to help. Cons. YNAB can be a bit expensive, especially if you're using the premium version. YNAB can take some time to get used to, especially if you're new to budgeting. YNAB can be a bit overwhelming if you have a lot of transactions. YNAB is a great budgeting app that can be used as a monthly budget. It's a flexible tool that can be used in a variety of ways, and it can help you to track your income and expenses. However, it can be a bit expensive and it can take some time to get used to. If you're looking for a budgeting app that is easy to use and affordable, then YNAB may not be the best option for you. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn how to use YNAB, it can be a great tool for helping you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy budgeting.